It all. Right turn left and break traction. Swing from corners, hit the sideshow cracking. Dance and burst, X in a second. I did my 1-2, niggas thought I was wrecking. I'm the sideshow king, I eat tired for breakfast. Coldest hands in the city, it's a talent I'm blessed with. No matter where I'm at, I'm Kansas City rapping. Driver, I'm a Kansas City legend. I got bars. Hey, I appreciate all y'all for coming out here, man. We came a long way from 59th Prospect, you hear me? On mama, here, on her kid. Young soldiers in the hood getting stripes for bravery. They sleep on us like Jesus Christ for slavery. Raised to hate each other, even hate our own skin. Single mothers forced to knuckle up and raise these grown men. You took a life for your set, they gave you life for that body. You left your son with his mother, he lost his life in a robbery. The cycle is vicious, but it's stay on repeat. Niggas know rifles and pistols, but don't know how to read. Whether you like it or not, I need the cycle to stop. You either get life in the box or ice by the cops. These hunkies taking our COVID, we can't read what they take. They give us life for conspiracy, they get probation for rape. I put on for my city, I go to jail every time. They'll never stop a nigga, I post bail every time. Standing up for the hood, be the death of me, nigga. Forever striving for change, and definitely, nigga, fighting. I come through solo, not a pack of niggas screaming free LA till it's backwards, nigga. With more cars than these rapper niggas, all on big wheels like a motherfucking tractor, nigga. And we can get it crackin', nigga. I get it poppin' with your dog, I get active with these crackers, nigga. Please don't make me crack a nigga. Double back swinging pose like a motherfucking capper, nigga. And your girl tryna cap a nigga. She take a knee for this meat like she motherfucking capper, nigga. All facts, no capping, nigga. I so soft the Chiefs players don't eat with traffic, nigga. I'm in traffic with it. No skills, man, I piece them out the motherfucking baggy with it. And I used to come baggy fitted. Plus I hustled out of town and tryna figure out how fat he did it. Always kept the baddest bitches. Could've plugged DJs cause a fat nigga having chicken. 2020 ain't no scrapping, nigga. Whole team holding tickets like we waiting on a raffle, nigga. Track hawk left him baffled, nigga. Shitted on him just like I walked out the bathroom with it. And we can get it crackin', nigga. Long as Malik stay healthy and running up his tackles, nigga. I come through fish shelling. Doing donuts with no hands, had these fuck niggas big jealous. Trans Am, put the top down. Yellow bone, winter time, getting top down. I come through fish shelling. jealous. Trans Am with the top down. Yellow bone, wintertime getting top down. Yeah, motherfucking gas, motherfucking gas. Motherfucking gas. Wow, I'm killing that closet. I got motherfucking gas, motherfucking gas. Motherfucking gas. Wow, I'm killing that closet. See that pussy got power, but this dick go harder. No challenge, grabbed the magnum, then I charged it. Ain't got straight to the pussy. I'm the Sideshow king, I figure rating that pussy. I love a hot pursuit, but never chasing no pussy. I hit it, then I quit it, never dating no pussy. Cause my bitch don't like that. I beat that pussy up, get that pussy an ice pack. You drowning in that pussy, throw that pussy a life jack. That was moonwalking, whip on Mike Jack. Ay, horse on standby, fatty keep it lit like s'mores at campfire. If that's your whore, then stand by. The rims all gold, dating stamp wire. Fatty spitting that crit nat. I'm like Malik Collins when it comes to the sitting at. It's been a few years since I've been in the Trinidad. Amazon Prime, where you need me to send that. Ay, cause I'm big willin'. Me and life 2 times, yeah, we big chillin'. Won't set foot in my city till I'm worth 6 figures. In that supercharged vet just to hurt these niggas. And I heard they won't be, so I'ma jerk these niggas and pop up unexpected like herpes, nigga. Val tracks can't stop this. I fuck your day up like a first hour pop quiz. Every car that I hop in is young soldiers in the hood getting stripes for bravery. They sleep on us like Jesus Christ through slavery. Raised to hate each other, even hate our own skin. Single mothers forced to knuckle up and raise these grown men. You took a life for your set, they gave you life for that body. You left your son with his mother, he lost his life in a robbery. The cycle is vicious, but it stay on repeat. Niggas know rifles and pistols, but don't know how to read. Whether you like it or not, I need the cycle to stop. You either get life in the box or ice by the cops. These hunkies taking our culture, we can't reap what they take. They give us life for conspiracy, they get probation for rape. I put on for my city, I go to jail every time. They'll never stop a nigga, I post bail every time. Standing up for the hood, be the death of me, nigga. Forever striving for change, and definitely, nigga, fatty.
Blackberry, one thing that will never change.
Best robber in my city. No cap though, I stay dropping shit. I'm an asshole, I'm fucked up, flat broke. But I had hope, plus I wash my hands with the streets and the task force. I'm done watching back doors in these rat holes. Niggas dying every day, not knowing what they clap for. I'm a Kansas City nigga, but I'm Kansas City tired. I didn't know I had a voice until I started smoking tired. When I started smoking tired, the hood paid attention. I said, stop the violence, the whole hood listened. The police heard it too, and my audience increased. Young nigga from the
when you give it too much gas, that's what the fuck happens. That's what the fuck happens when you get gas. Don't know where the fuck you at. Think about the world. Everybody else.